Hey guys, welcome to my mini vlog of me visiting Port Royal. It was a lovely day. I'm here chilling, drinking Mart and taking all the fresh cool breeze far away from Portmore and just viewing the boats. Right here I am at the fishing village in Port Royal. I guess they call it the fishing village, where I see all these lovely boats. Yeah, it was like a lovely day. The sun was like so hot and everything was going on good. People were visiting the fishing village just to look and view the outskirts of the country. Actually, this is my first time walking on a, we call this, I don't remember what it means. Yeah, and it was like lovely seeing all the boats and just to be at the seaside. It is amazing. I love seaside and riverside, but I cannot swim. Yeah, so first I take a bus to town from Portmore, then I take the 95 JUTC bus to go to Port Royal. That's the last stop, so you cannot be lost. Yeah, so here am I viewing the place, viewing the ship coming in, viewing everything. And I was pointing to wharf, like it was like so clear to see wharf from where I'm standing, and I was like, this place is not far, then wharf is not far from Port Royal, so it was like a nice view. Then I head to Gloria's Seafood in Port Royal, where I go there and order some fish. Yeah, fish is lovely. It was like so huge. Here am I trying to let you guys see what I'm eating. So I'm eating festival and brown stew fish, not steamed fish, brown stew fish, and with a cup of water because I was drinking juice all morning, so I decided to take water instead. And you see how my face light up because yes, it's food and I love food, and it's been a long time I don't come out of the house because of COVID and everything, so I was enjoying the fish. Like the fish was huge. I was like, what am I going to do with this fish? But nonetheless, I was trying to eat the fish, and one of my friends is like, that fish look bigger than you, man. And I was like, no, you're crazy. No, me gonna eat it off, man. The fish no bigger than me. So I was basically telling the person that I can eat off this fish, which me know say down in my heart say me can't eat off the fish here because the fish here too big. Like, I think it's like more than a pound. I not even know how to weigh fish, but the fish was huge. But I was enjoying it. I was enjoying every moment of the fish. I was enjoying the bone. You can see that I'm doing a little dance because I'm enjoying the sea breeze. I'm enjoying the fish. I'm enjoying everything. The festival was so great. Like, it's a one of a kind festival. I wonder if I could compare it with Elsha festival, not sure. But as you can see that I decide say look here my belly bust, so I'm gonna finish the fish and make a box up this part of the fish and bring it home. I was like, even though, see, I take up the fork again because because the fish was so good. I was like, no, we need more. A part of me I said we need more, and a part of me I said my belly full. But I was like forcing myself to eat the fish. I can see like you can see the expression on my face. You see that, girl, what are you doing to yourself? Your boss, you cannot manage cook. And I was trying to like dance it off, but deep down I'm so full. But nevertheless, I box it up and bring it home. So yeah, that's the end of the mini vlog. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.